YT UHD unlocks 1440p and 2160p resolutions on iOS YouTube app. This is called YT Music Ultimate, YT Music Premium features, and more. So lots, if not most, if not all, but most of the YouTube Music Premium features. Also has some usability features. Supports iOS 11 through 15.5. This is called No Interrupt when playing music. It makes notifications quiet, so it makes banner quiet while listening to music. This is called 4 doors, 4x4 folders. This week is called Drain Check. Monitor your battery drainage. So as a control center module to control center, which upon enabling will begin monitoring battery drainage. So monitor before you enable it, and then after you guys disable it, it monitors the battery that either gain or loss between when you enable it to when you disable it. This feature is called Volify. As a volume bar to the Spotify's now playing interface. This feature is called IP carrier, IP address in the status bar and control center. This is called Enable Battery Percent. Shows the battery percent in the status bar. This is called Aurora, and pretty much it's revamped iOS alarms. All these features right here. This is called Twitch Toolbox version 1.2.1. Now with full-fledged ad block, auto claim, channel points, and more. This is called Reverse Notifications, a CarPlay inspired notifications look. This is called Reverse NC, swap today notifications, notification center. This is called Blue Edit for Reddit, and it gives you more features for Reddit. This is called Omni, a tweak to make the official Reddit app better. This week is called Fake Picture, and pretty much it's used for taking when apps ask to take a picture or selfie from the iPhone camera. This allows you to replace it to an image you guys set. It's great to protect your privacy. So note, Fake Picture cannot replace the pictures taken by the Apple camera app. Then we have Fake Passcode. It's at the event, so you can set a fake passcode and specify an action for it and activate it. We have Fake Percent, Figure Battery Percent Indicator, Fake Phone, and also mobile subset tweak. And last week is called Rocket for Instagram. Save posts and view stories anonymously. So yeah, this is pretty much like an Instagram plus alternative. And you have these features right here. So you install Instagram from the App Store, then you guys can install this tweak. If it's the latest version of Instagram is not working, just downgrade it until this tweak does work. But just updated, so the version right now with Instagram as the latest version on April 29th, 2022, it should work. I mean, it gets updated pretty frequently. But these are the features it gives you for Instagram. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Catch you guys next one. Like, comment, subscribe. And right here, this is the version right now it supports. It tells you, so you know which version it supports. Yeah, catch you guys next one. Peace.